Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a category on your server, on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find create a category. Click on it. Now here just add a category name, and you can turn it on and make it private or make it public as you want. And after this just click create, and it will be created, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.